We are done.
We finally finished making over our 80s living room.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
Thank you so much for being on our DIY journey with us. You have seen the wins and challenges of this DIY project.
And now it's time to share how we brought our coastal theme to life. So let's get into it.
If this is your first time with us, welcome. Here is how the living room looked before we did this makeover.
The old wood paneling and fixtures made the space feel confined. And because there was no high ceiling, the room was dark. As a tall person, it made me feel a little claustrophobic.
Now we're done with most of the DIY projects and it's time to add the decor. Remember our inspiration picks? We're going to show you what we took from each one to create our own coastal vibe. First up was the light colored couch.
We found a furniture store that actually had a coastal design center in it. We were taking pictures to compare couches, and for some reason, our son was in every single one.
He was our official couch tester. It didn't seem like these couches were going to fit in our space, and they seemed really expensive. I couldn't help myself, I just had to look on Facebook Marketplace, and that's when I found her. She was the perfect size, and she looked even better when we went to pick her up. I also found this little cutie. It wasn't white or cream, but it still fit in the neutral family. This inspo pic reminded us to add some wall pieces and greenery.
These white walls needed something. We chose this large canvas piece because it made us feel relaxed in the room.
We're still looking for something larger to fill up this wall, but this piece is a good start.
Then we installed this round piece that we had from our previous home. I like round pieces because they're visually appealing and they make me feel good.
I'm glad we were able to find a new place for this piece in our new living room.
You might remember this piece from our other kitchen.
This was actually our very first decor piece that we agreed on instantly, as soon as we both saw it.
We put it up here to help balance out the room.
I also found these plant stands on Facebook Marketplace and I thought they would go well with our metal finishes. We found these really cute flower pots that we all liked, and our goal was to repot one of our larger plants into the two new containers. Me and baby girl did not realize how hard that task was. We had no idea that this plant had grown so much. We had to be careful and take our time. I love doing little projects with my daughter. It gives us time to bond and laugh. We finally got them apart. We were happy that we got two plants and we still had some left in the original container. We monitored them closely and they are doing so well in their new home on their new stand. Since there's a countertop area between the living room and kitchen, we decided to look for some bar stools. We didn't see any at the furniture store that we really liked, but Marketplace did not disappoint. We found 3 bar height stools with a 360 swivel. The cream color was perfect with the metal finish.
Guys, we want to know,
what decor would you add to this coastal theme? Let us know your ideas in the comments. And I have a confession. I found another couch on Facebook Marketplace. Our seller threw in a love seat if we would just take both couches. The deals were so good, especially when people need to move or downsize. And believe me, we cleaned everything. We started with sprinkling a little bit of baking soda and vacuuming each piece. We also used a fabric pre-conditioner to pull out any odors. We then rented a professional upholstery cleaner and gave every single piece of furniture that we brought into the house a thorough cleaning. We repeated this process for each piece of furniture. So this is the couch we have a Facebook Marketplace, and we're gonna clean it today and spot clean it. It has a stain right here, so we're gonna check that out, and then we're gonna finish cleaning this one. So I'm gonna finish vacuuming. We vacuumed it, but we brought it in, and then we're going to clean it.
We tag team cleaning the furniture and we were able to remove every spot. This machine helped to renew and freshen them all. We were impressed with how it actually revived the furniture.
While everything's drying, let's recap this DIY living room makeover before the final reveal.
We've done a lot for this project and it was definitely worth it. We hope that this series inspires you and gives you lots of ideas for your next home improvement project.
Our outdated 80s living room has now been updated with a coastal theme.
Now everyone in our multi-generational family loves this living space. It's bigger, brighter, and it's more inviting.
We really appreciate you guys being with us on this chapter of our new life.
And if you like this video series, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel.
And remember,
You can DIY too. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.